From a small online bookstore to one of the most influential economic and cultural forces in the world, as well as the world's most valuable brand. A story of success and passion, but also ambition and a high vision of the future. We're talking about Amazon, the American multinational technology company, and its founder, the billionaire Jeff Bezos, who is now longing for creating a future city. With the current world dynamics, online shopping is becoming a new standard for us. Therefore, competition in the e-commerce sector is swelling. Cyber shopping has its perks, but to avail its benefits to the fullest, we need a better digitized world with on-demand deliveries of goods and services being made available to our customers in the least possible amount of time. So what does this future city contain? How is it going to be useful and a game changer for the future? On today's video, we will answer these questions and take a close look at this future city. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to receive our latest notifications. In the tech world of today, technology giants like Amazon have completely revolutionized the IT industry. Amazon started as an online book-selling store in 1994, but Bezos soon realized that to grow, he had to act big and fast, leaving his mark in many diverse fields. Today, Amazon has become a one-stop shop, along with several future city predictions and ambitions, focused on providing faster on-demand solutions for their customers. Now, let's explore how one of the most innovative companies in the world is looking to further its customers by providing lower rates, faster shipping, and an easy shopping experience for them. Starting with Prime Air, still in its evolution phase, this feature is focused on delivering customer orders in just 30 minutes with the help of drones. Yes, drones. The service uses delivery drones to autonomously fly individual packages to customers within 30 minutes of ordering. The order must be less than £5 and small enough to fit in the cargo box that the craft will carry, and must have a delivery location within a 10-mile radius of a participating Amazon order fulfillment center. In 2013, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos revealed plans for Amazon Prime Air in an interview on 60 Minutes. The Amazon Prime Air team worked with NASA and single European Sky ATM on trials using the Amazon Air Traffic Management System. For additional safety, drones will fly at low altitude of 400 feet. There are no roads or fixed roads, so there are so many options to get from point A to point B. That is why navigating a drone through the air is very different than driving a car on the road. Amazon claims their traffic management system is easy to use for various operators in the same airspace because it will connect via the internet. The second technology is one-click ordering. It's the technique of allowing customers to make purchases with the payment information needed to complete the purchase having been entered by the user previously. Instead of inputting billing and shipping information for a purchase manually, a user can use one-click buying to use a predefined address and a credit card number to purchase items. Another unique development in Amazon's personal assistant, Alexa, a virtual assistant AI technology developed by Amazon. First used in the Amazon Echo Smart Speaker and the Amazon Dot, Amazon Studio and Amazon Top speakers, developed by Amazon Lab 126. It is capable of voice interaction, music playback, making to-do lists, setting alarms, streaming podcasts, playing audiobooks, and providing weather, traffic, sports, and other real-time information such as news. Alexa can also control several smart devices using itself as a home automation system. Users are able to extend the Alexa capabilities by installing skills such as weather, program, and audio features. Most devices with Alexa allow users to activate the device using a wake word such as Alexa or Amazon. Other devices such as the Amazon app on iOS or Android and Amazon One require the user to click a button to activate Alexa's listening mode, although some phones also allow a user to say a comment, such as Alexa or Alexa Wake. Currently, interactions and communication with Alexa are available in several languages, including English, German, French, and others. In Canada, though, Alexa is available in English and French only. Amazon even has its own web services to efficiently run its applications on. Research tells that 56% of their total profit comes from AWS, Alexa, self-driving drones, humongous fulfillment centers, and its own airline. Amazon is not coming slow. Soon, we will be living in a world filled with gadgets made by Amazon. The company now is looking to shift its headquarters downtown, where drones can easily fly around, delivering people's orders at their doors, thus making on-demand delivery of goods and services swift. Let's glance into what Amazon's city of the future will look like in few years from now. It has 3 patented ideas. The first one is the flying warehouse. It has been awarded a patent for a giant flying warehouse that acts as a launchpad for drones to deliver items within minutes. The US e-commerce giant described plans for an airborne fulfillment center, such as an airship or blimp that would float on an altitude of around 45,000 feet. The airship will be stocked with lots of products. When a customer places an order, a drone or UAV will fly down and deliver the package. Amazon insists that this would require little power because the drone will be gliding down rather than having to take off and land. The drones will be able to communicate with each other to give information such as weather and route, and UAVs also will recharge on the airship. If this plan saw the light of day, Amazon would likely need regulatory approval from aviation authorities, which could be complex. It looks like Amazon has found a way to expand the delivery range of its Prime Air drones. They want to build the docking stations on anything tall that has power running through it. Amazon also mentions setting up new dedicated poles for these docking stations in under-reserved areas. These docking stations will change that if a drone starts running low on power, it can head to one of the docks for a quick recharge. And to get them back up in the air quickly, the drones could be equipped with a modular power packs. When one lands on the dock, it swaps a depleted cell for one that's fully charged and heads back out. These wouldn't necessarily be ordinary batteries. Either Amazon's patent mentions using fuel cells too, which would give the drones even greater range. During unforeseen weather conditions, those street lights can also provide shelter to the drones. The third idea is a beehive. To accommodate the drone delivery program, the previous fulfillment centers are located in large areas that are outside the main cities. Hence, the drones will have to travel a large distance to reach their destinations in time. To cater to this, they intend on shifting the areas that are populated to make deliveries more efficient. The beehive structure is a multi-story building, built vertically for easier navigations of drones due to their height. These drones can easily steer downwards, thus avoiding any misshapes along the way. Amazon is also thinking of constructing drones with multiple routers and motors, so that if one fails, the other starts functioning. With all these brilliant ideas, you might think that Amazon can do anything easily. But let me tell you that even this big company faces a lot of challenges. With Amazon being one of the biggest companies in the world and having its tentacles in a wide range of industries, politicians and high-powered officials will likely be raising questions on how a company that is only a few years old now dominates the whole world, and is planning to further alter the trends of the current market with its plans. Those are some of the key challenges that the company is facing right now. Delivery distances for drones are a challenge since fulfillment centers are located outside the cities. Also, people think that the drones flying close to their residential areas is a threat to their privacy. Another concern is the noise that the drone tower will make, which will disrupt the peace in their area. Amazon is looking into ways to solve these issues by using customized motor designs with sound damping facilities. Another challenge is third-party sellers. A large network of sellers is a plus for a retail company, but also aids in an increased number of risks if the sellers are fake or deliver unsafe products, making use of a well-reputed company like Amazon as their platform. Also, for the most part, they have not been able to successfully filter through these fake products, which mostly originate from China. These complexities can damage the reputation of Amazon, which is one of the most trusted tech companies nowadays. In-house logistics is the last challenge that Amazon faces. Research tells that a large proportion of Amazon's logistics is delivering their packages, which has increased to 48% from 15% in 2 years. But this has impacted negatively by resulting in late deliveries. In 2017, an average of 4.6% of items were delivered late, which increased to 16.6% by 2019. Amazon needs to polish its in-house logistics by making use of a more slower and planned approach. Nowadays, technology is dominating everything in our life, especially every business, and we're learning how to adapt to new tech devices that provide an easier, faster and reliable mode of exchange between goods and services. Hence, the word on demand has been gaining significant popularity, and companies are trying to deliver these services at an even faster pace. This is it for today's video. Tell us in the comments below what you think about this future city that Amazon is making. And would you like to live in a world where drones fly all around yourself? Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.